G'day everybody, I'm just doing a room tour of cabin 6324 on Voyager of the Seas. So just to give you an idea how this cabin is placed, we're just on the same level as the next cruise desk. So if anyone's wondering the noise levels would be like, yeah, not much at all really, to be honest, but a great view of the promenade there. Okay, let's go back in and do the cabin. Again, stairs and elevators behind us as we're walking in, and then we're probably about the third room along. Okay, going in the room, standard balcony in this style of ship. As you can see, all the muster station, general information on the back door there, standard cupboards for hanging. We're on a 6-night cruise at the present time. Yeah, not too bad. We've just requested some extra hangers to get us through. Excuse the noise. And as we come in, as these cabins are standard desk and vanity area, we've got the 2 US plugs on that side, and then the 1 Euro plug on that side. Full set of drawers down there, another set of drawers, got the center drawer there, TV, and in this area there is your, wouldn't call it a fridge, but just a cooler as such. We've got nothing there at the moment. Little couch here that Fiona's on right at this moment. Nice to store things on or just have a relax. Our bed's obviously set up as a king selection at the moment. Just a little thing, it's not the greatest charger because as these cabins don't have USB chargers. I've just noticed on the side of the phone there was a USB plug. I just normally put my phone there. It doesn't charge it really quickly, but overnight you get yourself back up to full charge. Again, as I said, no USB, no plug points on either side of these beds, but just that one there for yourself. Got the lighting, the little reading lamp with the, if you wanted to do that, just, again, separate switch there for reading. Out onto the balcony. We're on deck 6 at the moment, so I've noticed the deck 6 cabins have got the full metal wall instead of a glass wall. When you sort of look at the back, you can see that the other decks have the glass there. So I'll just quickly. Good sized balcony, great, two nice comfortable chairs and a table. Yeah, not bad at all for this class of ship and age of ship. Walking back in, and full length mirror. And again, there was storage over there, which I didn't show you before, and then storage up there as well. Bathroom, so not quite sure if this is on all levels of the ship, but we've got the in the shower, we've got the full shower screens, not the curtains, and then everything else very standard. Not a great amount of storage in these sort of classes of ship, on this Voyager class ship, and just a little bit of air there to do. Yeah. Otherwise, very comfortable, very practical for us. You're only very close to the promenade, and then just one deck down to the promenade, and then a couple of floors up to get to the upper decks. But yeah, we've enjoyed this room, and yeah, just giving you guys a view of it.